Hello! Alright, this time around, the reason why we here today is to celebrate the first birthday of whose birthday? Kay Kinsang birthday! Ed Flynn, ladies and gentlemen, let's clap our hands to our celebrator, Ed Flynn, together with Mommy and Daddy! Palakpakan! Dali, ala sa Ed Flynn! Hey. Ay, come on, Ed Flynn! Okay, alright, palakpakan natin everyone. Alright, so as we proceed as we start our celebration, ladies and gentlemen, children, we will sing together a happy birthday song to our celebrator. And please, alright everybody, umarog tatanan palihog, everybody stand up, and we will sing together. Marog, dali, stand up, everybody stand up. And we will sing together a happy birthday song for Edwin. Everybody, let's just follow the music. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Go on, everybody. Happy birthday. Not a bird. Happy birthday to you. All right, let's sing together. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing, come on. Everybody clap your hands to Edwin! Palakpakan! Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Later na si Edwin will close sa iyahang first birthday ka daw. Palakpakan, everyone! Okay, this time around before we'll go to our games and entertainment, we're gonna have Come on, then. Alin bata, dali. Get ready. Get ready, everybody. Tanan sa camera. Kinsay D! Pauli. Joke lang. Okay. Alright, this time around, mga bata, listen. Before we go to our games, so kinasa tayo warm-up dance. Kinsay ka ba lumusayaw? Oh, very good. Kinsay gusto mo sayaw? Okay, this time around, kailangan tanan bata mo apil ha. Pag-warm up ta. Okay, get ready. Tanan bata mo ano diri sa kuha. Dali. 9, 8, dali. Warm up dance. Okay, and now children, choose your partner. Choose your partner. Come on, choose your partner. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ate, dali ka mo duha, ate. Oh, wak ka pilihan. Okay, right? Napay bata diha. Isip bata. Wala. Ano yung baby girl, dali partner mo duha, baby girl. Wala yung lain bata. Okay. Sige, kita na lang duha dyan. Sige. Round and round. Okay, choose your partner first. Choose your partner. O, partner mo duha, kuya. Partner mo duha. Okay, choose your partner first. Okay, kamu duha partner. Guniti mo partner. Okay, so this music is what we call the round and round. Okay? Meaning, mag-ingunani mo. Dali. Sundugan din sila. Dali, sundugan din sila. Come on. Ang bukton. Music play, we round and round. Okay? If the music stop, kailangan pag moingon gani kung group yourself into 2, you have to group yourself into 2. If I say group yourself into 3, you have to group yourself into 3. Cure